Racing just is started. We have medals time. First to show quickness at the start. Gobel is Ian's Melody in the middle portion. Ninjitsu, then comes Green Lexter. Mangarzol Invictus comes next. Down on the inside because of you. Forever Young. Then next online Interceptor. Apple Green Subaru. Hardway second less while Lanupose is the early trailer by about 12 lengths of the leader. And as they swing down the back, we have Ninjitsu now takes command by Waranek down on the inside. Medals time. Gobelis is racing in third. And here comes Soul Invictus now coming closer in fourth. Next on Lanian's Melody, Green Lexter moving up. Interceptor down on the inside. Now is Mangaro unopposed rushing up on the outside. Subaru is down on the inside. Then comes Forever Young because of you. Hardway while Apple Green now racing in 14th. And they are now entering the home stretch. It's on anybody's chance. Moving up, Green Lexter, one of our long shots to take the lead. Zol Invictus is down on the inside. Interceptor moving up now on the outside. So with Hanopose with about 100 meters of the race. We have Interceptor followed now by Sol Invictus, and finally it's going to be Interceptor, Sol Invictus. Then comes number 9, Green Lexter, Hanopose, Mangaro.
May dikit tayo dun sa parang fourth ba? Anyway, it's